Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. This is a tips and tricks video, and what I'm going to show you in this video is how to turn off lane assist and steering assist with the push of one button. As you can see on my dash here, I've got lane assist and steering assist turned on. You're looking here just below the clock. That shows you they're active. If you come to the steering wheel, this button here, and push it and hold it, you'll now see lane assist and steering assist have deactivated. They now won't interfere with your driving. So if I push and hold the button a second time, it turns them back on and it now tells you steering assist active, lane centering active. We'll push it again. As you can see, they go off. Doing that means every time you get close to a white line, the car's not going to beep at you, and the steering is not going to go heavy when you're trying to go across a white line to overtake somebody. Because if you've got it activated and you go to do an overtake without indicating, your steering will try and put you back into lane. If you don't like that feeling and you don't like that particular system, that's the way to turn it off. Thanks for watching the video. Please consider liking the video if you like this sort of content. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It's going to cost you nothing to subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much for watching.